Hungary MBBS Research, Innovation and Future Medicine. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Higher Education Center, where through our overseas we promise students to place in the universities that are either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIMS. So guys, when students think about MBBS, they usually think about lectures, exams and hospitals. But in countries like Hungary, medical education goes far beyond classrooms. In this video, I want to talk about a side of MBBS that very few people discuss, that is research, innovation, and how Hungarian universities are preparing doctors for future medicine. So, medicine today is no longer just about treating patients, it is about evidence based practice, clinical research, and new treatment protocols. European countries strongly believe that a good doctor must also understand research, and Hungary follows this philosophy very closely. Hungarian medical universities have a strong academic and research culture. Many of these universities are more than 300 years old and have produce internationally recognized medical researchers, work very closely with European research institutes. And guys, research is just not limited to PhD students. When MBBS students are gradually introduced to medical research, methodology, data interpretation, clinical case studies, scientific thinking, this helps students think like doctors, not just exam takers. So Hungary is actively involved in multiple areas of medical research such as clinical medicine, patient based studies, pharmaceutical sciences, biotechnology and genetics, public health and epidemiology, medical imaging and diagnostics. Some universities also collaborate on research related to cancer treatment, neurology, cardiovascular diseases, immunology, and this exposure gives students a real time understanding of modern healthcare challenges. For MBBS students, this research driven environment offers many benefits. Students get access to modern laboratories, exposure to research oriented faculty, opportunities to assist in clinical studies, and participation in conferences, seminars, and workshops. Even if a student does not want to become a researcher, this experience, I will say, improves clinical reasoning, strengthens diagnostic skills, helps during PG and specialization. And this is why Hungarian graduates adapt well to healthcare systems in other countries as well. So, Hungary is a part of the larger European healthcare innovation ecosystem. Medical universities are connected to advanced teaching hospitals, digital medical records, modern diagnostic equipment, evidence based treatment, protocol. Students learn medicine in an environment where technology and healthcare work together. Decision making is data driven, ethics and patient safety are prioritized, and this prepares students for the future of global medicine, not just today's exam. This is a strong foundation in research and innovation, is one of the reasons that Hungary and previous graduates are able to integrate smoothly into European healthcare systems, pursue PG and specialization in multiple countries, adapt to new medical guidelines and technologies. When you study in a research oriented system, you don't struggle with change, you grow with it. So, to conclude it all, so MBBS in Hungary is not just about getting a medical degree, it is about learning medicine the European way, understanding research and innovation, developing clinical thinking for future healthcare. For students who want to become globally competent doctor, this environment creates a real difference. So for more details on how you can study in these universities, contact Higher Education Center Bethula Overseas to the link in the description below.